Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and I'm out here early in the morning to try and beat some of this wind. We got a little bit coming out of the west right now, but I think the FMS Pitts can handle it. I just absolutely love this airplane. I have seen on the internet that it is available to purchase. Of course, I'll have those links in the description box. Guys, let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. Alright guys, if you're wondering, it is a 6S powered airplane. I'm flying with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. And if you've not seen this airplane before, one thing about the FMS big airplanes, they have a tray for the battery, and you gotta put something in there to keep them from sliding out, because they will. Guys, we got the wind coming out of the west. It's all clear. Let's get this thing in the air. A little bit of up. Been a little while since I've flown this airplane. In fact, I had it buried in my rack in the shop. But we got her back out and she's ready to go. Gotta watch out for the cars coming in. I think they might be having some type of breakfast type thing or something. So try to stay outside of the driveway. With the wind coming out of the west, it does force me to fly a little bit different pattern than normal. But the Pitts is good. She is flying good. Love my rolls. Got my sunglasses on because of the sun. It's early, so it's down here kind of low in my eyes. About quarter to half throttle pass right there. This isn't a Speed Demon type plane. It is a kind of a barnstormer type flying type plane. And it's absolutely my style, as you would say. This is the type of flying that I like to do. Just having some fun. I've been struggling here lately. Seems like I break something every time I take it out. And I got my fingers crossed today, guys, that this isn't going to be one of them. One nice thing about this Pitts being a pretty good size, it is much easier to see in there. And in fact, it's pretty awesome size for when you want to show other people about RC. So I like getting this one out when other people are going to be watching. We'll slow it down on this pass into the wind. Little stall at the top there, kept the power in. Holding the power, holding the power. All right, we're falling out of it. Absolutely love flying the Pitts, guys. Roll it, then pull it under. Just a beautiful morning to be out here, guys. My timer is telling me it's almost time to bring it in. So this time around, we're going to bring it in for the landing. And it's not standard for me, but I'm going to try to bring this in kind of deep into the... There we go. Wanted to land it and get it stopped here close to me so that all the people pulling in for the event this morning, their breakfast or whatever they're doing, Bible study maybe. But the FMS Pitts did great. Absolutely a blast. 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and we definitely put in a 5-minute flight. I got a feeling it could have went much longer. But man, what a blast. One thing I would say about this plane is it's best if you have a truck and somewhere to store it so you don't have to take the wings off when moving it around, transporting it and storing it. I've never taken this one back apart after putting it together. And I just prefer that method for all of my airplanes, but it's not always possible. Guys, what a blessing. It's just a beautiful morning. The Lord has just put the best RC weather together for me here these last couple days. And I'm just super happy to be out here with the FMS Pitts. I do appreciate everybody's support. You guys are awesome. If you guys don't mind, and you're looking to buy this airplane, please use the links. It does help the channel. And man, I can't wait to get out here and fly again for you guys. Let's get this airplane home. I appreciate all your guys' support. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.